Hi, my name is Musa Dube. I live in Swaziland. I'm selling products on Fiverr. Today I'm introducing a product called Lihia. It is a material which many have used to design cultural dresses in our country. Cultural wear for both men and female. People use it to design shirts, blouses, and all sorts of fashion products. You may use it to decorate your wall decoration, even for a mattress. You can use it in a clean environment like the grass. It is good for many uses. There are different designs. There are abstract designs. There are also designs with the face of His Majesty the King Mswati III. There are also abstract designs with warrior shields. You are welcome to visit my Fiverr profile to get quotes and pictures from which to choose your preferred piece of material.